Oh shit. Oh, it's Christmas time and I'm fucking excited. I know what's in here, but you guys don't yet. This is from Speed Factory. This is my rods, my pistons, and my head studs. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh shit, they gave me a bunch of stickers. Hell yeah. I actually talked to them on the phone numerous times over this whole ordeal. And there's some pretty rad dudes. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Wow, these are pretty. Fuck yeah. And Speed Factory is the only company that I'm aware of that makes a H-beam rod for D16s that you don't have to notch the block or the girdle. Oh my god, man, I cannot wait to build this frickin' motor. I am so freaking excited. And all these rods are balanced to plus or minus 1 gram, so the whole rotating assembly is gonna be butter smooth. Alright, get a look at the pistons here. Now, these are Vitara pistons, because I am doing a Vitara build, obviously. Oh man, these things are nice. Oh my god, man, I am so freaking excited. Now, I'm not boring the block out or anything, so these are standard bore, 75 millimeter. I got the rings right here, everything. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm sure you guys are probably tired of hearing me say how excited I am, but this has been a long wait for these rods. Oh, there's the pins in there. Oh man, it's a huge shout out to the guys at Speed Factory. They are seriously like some of the greatest people I have ever worked with, like at all. Oh shit, I packaged that up, huh? Yeah, whatever, I'll sit and stare at it. But like I said, huge shout out to the guys at Speed Factory. Super awesome guys. You know, they called me because they knew I was kind of bugging them on Instagram and stuff about when these rods would be available. And the day they came in, they hit me up on Instagram and were like, hey dude, the rods are here, but they won't be on the site for a few days. So if you want, a few of us are here at the shop late, you know, call up here and we can handle everything over the phone and get your stuff out to you as quick as possible. So huge shout out to them guys. You know, it's really nice to work with a company that genuinely cares, you know, and really gets excited about their customers' cars and projects and stuff. Oh man, ARP, you package your shit like crazy. Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and quit filming this because I'm gonna get the head studs opened up and I gotta run up to AutoZone, get some assembly lube and a few other little things, and we're gonna start putting this block together. Alright, we finally got a nice fairly warm day here in Michigan instead of fucking Arctic and snow. So as you guys know, I had pulled this the motor all apart. There's like the crank and everything. I painted the block, which is kind of dark in here so it might be hard to see, but that's all clean, ready to go for parts. And I also painted the engine bay black. I don't know, I guess I just got tired of having a red engine bay and figured black would look nicer, which turned out pretty decent. Not great, but not horrible. It'll work. But yeah, we're not even gonna worry about that because we're gonna build this block. got the rotating assembly all put together. No binding or anything like that. Pistons are all moving freely up the bores. Now, something kind of funny I learned a long time ago. Get a piston at top dead center, put your hand over it, and you can rotate the crank and you can feel it suck your hand in. And then, let's see if I can get a better one. Ow. Kind of stupid, but kind of funny. Alright, now we'll put the head studs and the head gasket on and then put the head on. Here it is in all its little motor glory. My pieces I painted gold, turned out really nice. And even with this new camera, it still can't pick up the fact that the valve cover is purple, not blue. But motor's all built. Now I just have to wait for the new clutch to show up and go get my flywheel turned. And then the next video we'll be putting it in the car and making it run. As always though, thank you guys so much for watching. I know I haven't put out a video in a little bit, so hopefully this makes up for it. I've been waiting on these parts to build this motor for 2 months. Actually a little over 2 months. So I've been just as excited to make a video for you guys as if you have been excited to see a video of. I think I said that right, I don't know. I don't have a watch, but it's kind of, it's not really like late, but I've been out here working for a few hours and it's kind of cold because even though Michigan, yesterday it was 65, today it's 30 and there's 4 inches of snow on the ground. But anyway, I hope you guys have a killer day. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a like down below. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Later.